Does enlightenment happen step by step, or is it a quantum jump? We have to understand this aspect in a different manner. You see how a fruit grows on the tree. The fruit is attached to the branch of the tree. It's getting all its juices to grow from the tree. Initially it's raw, but when it ripens, the whole process of how the fruit grows and ripens is a very slow, gradual process. When the fruit is fully ripe, suddenly at one moment it detaches from the branch and falls down. Enlightenment is also like that. The preparation for the enlightenment happens gradually over a period of time. That is the process of awareness development. But awareness, becoming aware of itself, is like a sudden process, how the fruit falls down. That's a quantum jump. There is another example we can understand. How a baby grows inside the mother's womb. 9 months, 9 days process. It's a very gradual process. But at one instant, the mother develops the labor pain and ready to deliver. Once the baby is out of the mother's womb and the umbilical cord is cut, there is no way the baby can go back to the mother's womb. In the previous example, if the fruit which is ripe falls down, there is no way it can go back and stick to the branch. So enlightenment is a one-way process. If the enlightenment has happened, that person cannot get unenlightened. It's a one-way process. It's like a baby is born, there is no way a baby can go back to the mother's womb. That's why in Sanskrit, the enlightened beings are called as Dvija. Dvija in Sanskrit means reborn. You are born out of the womb of Maya and your awareness is fully matured. So now this matured awareness cannot go back to that Maya. That's why enlightenment process initially is gradual, but when it happens, it is for sure a quantum jump. And if the process has happened fully well, there is no way to go back. That's the perfect understanding.